Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. Today we are going to do question number 4 of trigonometry. So already we have uploaded from question 1 to 3 in the previous videos. Please go through the same and then watch this video. So let us go into the video. Now question number 4. Given 15 cot A equals 8, find sin A and sec A. So 15 cot A equals 8. So 15 will go to this side. Let us find cot A. Cot A equals 8 upon 15. Okay. If cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Now let us make the triangle. And cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So let us take this as A. And this as B. And this as C. So according to cot A, this is, according to this formula, tan A is equal to P upon B. So cot A equals B upon P. So B upon P. B means base. That is, according to this angle, base is this one. So base is 8 and perpendicular is this one, 15. Cot A equals AB upon BC. Cot A equals AB upon BC. So 8 upon 15 equals AB upon BC. So let AB is equal to 8x and BC equals 15x. Okay. AB equals 8x and BC equals 15x. Since this is in the ratio, we are supposing this as 8x and 15x. So let us put the value of AB here and BC 15x here, and by Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equals BC squared plus AB squared. So AC squared is, we don't know AC squared, so let us put AC squared as it is, and BC is equal to, we supposed as 15x. 15x the whole squared plus AB squared is 8x the whole squared. 8x the whole squared. 15 squared is 225x squared plus 88 squared is 64x squared. That is 289x squared. AC squared equals 289x squared. A2, that is AC is equal to 17x the whole squared. That is AC is equal to how much? 17x. We got the value AC equals 17x. Okay. So let us put the value here, 17x. Now we have to find sin A. Sin A equals P upon H. And what is P? P is perpendicular. So according to this, perpendicular is this one. So BC, that is 15x upon H, hypotenuse, that is 17x. X and x will cancel out. So sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. We got the value of sin A. Now we have to find sec A. Now sec A. Sec A is reciprocal of cos. So cos is B upon H. So reciprocal of this one is H upon B. Hypotenuse upon base. So H upon B. And what is the hypotenuse here? That is 17x upon what is B here? 8x. X and x will cancel out. So the value of sec A is 17 upon 8. Okay. Sin A and sec A. That we have to find out. Okay. Now next question is, given sec theta equals 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All other trigonometric ratios means we have to find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta and cot theta. But a sec theta is given. So we have to find all the trigonometric ratios. For that, let us make a triangle here. Before that, sec theta equals reciprocal of cos, that is h by b. Okay. So let us make the triangle and let it be theta. This is 90 degree. So sec theta means hypotenuse upon base, and it is given as 13 upon 12. So if hypotenuse upon base is 13 by 12, let us take the hypotenuse. That is, hypotenuse is here. Let us name it ABC. So let here hypotenuse is equal to AC upon what is the base? AB. So let us take AC equals 13x let and AB equals 12x. So we have to find the third one. So what is AC? That is 13x. And what is AB? That is 12x. And we have to find height. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared is 13x the whole squared. AB squared is 12x the whole squared plus BC squared. So 169x squared equals 144x squared plus BC squared. So let us write this to this side. 144x squared plus BC squared equals 169x squared. So let us bring to this side and the sign will change. So BC squared equals 169x squared minus 144x squared, that is equal to 25x squared. So BC squared equals 5x the whole squared. So BC is equal to 5x. So let us write here 5x. Now we got all the ratios here. So now let us write all the trigonometric ratios. Fine. All the values we got. So sine A equals P upon H. And what is perpendicular here? It is BX. 5x. 5x and hypotenuse is 13x. So the answer is 5 upon 13. The x will cancel out. So 5 upon 13. Now let us write cos. Cos A equals B upon H. Base upon hypotenuse. What is base here? AB upon hypotenuse AC. 12x upon 13x. 12x upon 13x. X cancelled out. The answer is 12 upon 13. Now what is tan A? Not A, it's theta. Now tan theta equals sine upon cos. That is, what is this? P upon B. P means here, P means 5x and B means 12x. 5x upon 12x. Cancel out. The answer is 5 by 12. Now let us find out cosec. Cosec theta. Cosec theta means reciprocal of sine theta. That is 13 upon 5. And sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, which is already given. 13 upon 12 is already given in the question. And now cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. 12 upon 5. So we got the values of all the trigonometric ratios. Now next question is, if angle A and angle B are the acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Then if it is given that angle A and angle B are acute angles, that is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means they are not the right angles. So that means if we make a triangle like this, so the right angle is not A and B. So we can put A and B to this side and put the third letter as C. Where right angle is there, we can put as C. Because A and B are the acute angles. Acute angles means that is less than 90 degrees. So if we put here as A and B. Now it is given as cos A is equal to cos B. That is, let us write cos A first. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. And according to A, the base is this one and hypotenuse is this one. So AC is the base and hypotenuse is AB. And as per cos B, again base upon hypotenuse, and according to B, the base is BC and the hypotenuse is AB. So BC upon AB. Since it is cos A is equal to cos B, it is given. So cos A equals cos B. Therefore, AC cos A is equal to AC upon में AB and cos B equals BC upon AB. So let us write this as, let us take this AB to this side. So AC is equal to BC upon AB, and this AB is going to this side, so it will go being a multiplication. And since both AB and AB are same, it will cancel out and we got AC is equal to BC. AC equals BC. Since AC is equal to BC, that means the angle opposite to AC, that is this one. Since AC is equal to BC, the angle opposite to AC, that is angle B. AC's opposite angle is B. So, angle B, and BC's opposite angle is A. Angle A. Equal or equal. We know that we have learned the theorem that if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So, we will write this as the reason. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is the reason that the angles which is opposite to AC is B and the angle opposite to BC is A. So since AC is equal to BC, the angle opposite to AC is B and angle opposite to BC is A. So angle B equals angle A. The reason being angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So we have to prove this as angle A is equal to angle B. It is now proved. Therefore, angle A equals angle B. Hence, proved. Okay. So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.